Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a refund from Google Play Store, whether it's for a subscription or a one-time purchase, quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the purchase was made. Step 2, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu and settings. Step 3, tap Payments and Subscriptions midway down the menu. This section allows you to manage all your purchases and subscriptions. Step 4, tap Subscriptions to view all your active subscriptions. You need to see the list to check which one you want a refund for. Step 5, if the subscription is still active, tap it and select Cancel Subscription at the bottom. You can't request a refund while a subscription is active. Step 6, after cancellation, go back and tap Budget and History under Subscriptions. This will show a list of your past purchases. Step 7, tap the purchase you want a refund for and check if there is a Request Refund button. If it appears, you can request the refund directly from here. Step 8, if no refund button appears, open a web browser like Google Chrome. You can still request a refund using Google's official website. Step 9, search for Google Play Store Refund and open the official refund request page. This will guide you through the refund process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tech guides.